Hello, I'm Michael from VR Windows, and today I'm going to show you how to change a hinge on a casement PVC window. Again. No!
Self-tape!
Cut!
I'm going to show you how to change a UPVC casement handle.
Right, we're done again.
But I don't know if you're going to handle it.
No. You've got to do that one from the start then.
You're so nosy.
I know. I was just trying to see what we can salvage. Like, we might be able to sell this. I could do with a new shower screen.
Cal.
What?
No. Toilet seat?
Toilet. Oh,
Don't touch that, Cal. Don't touch that. You're so weird.
So the boys are here. They are fitting, just to completely go off subject.
Yes.
Here, and they are fitting a set of doors on there, as you can see. We need to catch this on the main camera, though, don't we?
Yes.
Really?
So I need to give you this phone back.
Oh, smell that.
No.
The boys are hard at work.
As always when we get filmed.
As always, when you get filmed.
Yeah.
Yes. What is it that you do? Obviously, we see you at Brad and Reed's house doing the windows. Do you do doors as well?
So we do all aspects of windows and doors. So we do timber, aluminium, UPVC, crystal style. We do absolutely everything on the
Shed
market,
doors.
really. We also
Shed
buy
doors?
House doors. Any doors.
Do you actually?
Yeah, kids, dolls' houses.
hog legs for
Lego.
like mobile homes.
And I see a machine on the back of your van.
Yes,
You
that's
do-
seamless guttering. So we do seamless guttering as well.
Seamless
Right, can you hold
guttering.
that
What
in
is
there?
seamless guttering?
It's
sorry?
aluminium guttering.
Yeah.
So basically, you can go up to 30 metres in one length.
Okay.
So you don't have any external clips. You don't have anything. It's all clipped inside, so it just looks nice and fresh across the fascia. It's not new. It's quite new to England. It was made in America. It's called a Mustang system.
Okay.
Very, very good. We use it on schools and other things like that because basically PVC expands and contracts a lot too much. Aluminium's a lot less. So
Okay.
once it's up, you get minimal leaks. The only leak that you would get is if the silicone or the screw failed over a bit of time, but probably at least 10 years. I think
Okay.
it comes with a 20-year guarantee as well.
If you actually come to our website, www.vrwindowslimited.com.co.uk,
Okay.
there's a link on there to our Instagram that actually has a seamless section where you can actually look at the machine and how it works and what it looks like. All different colours available, the options are given. So,
These two are well trained. I like it.
Okay, so you've got to go.
What do you think about that?
Now. He was waiting patiently.
Well, yeah.
What areas do you actually cover?
So we cover. So we're based in Byfleet. That's
Okay.
where the company's based from, and offices in Weybridge.
Okay.
But then we go 15 miles as the crow flies. So we actually cover a very, very wide area. So we go as far as we go into London. We go down south towards obviously Bognor.
Okay.
our favourite
One of our favourite places. We do Berkshire. We'll go Sussex, but we will go anywhere we need to, obviously, if the job's right for us and the client wants us to do the job. I'll tell you what,
good,
VR
isn't it?
Windows, big enough to cope, small enough to care.
Check it out, it's on the van, slogan at the top, that's why we put it on.
Well, I'll let you crack on. Sorry.
Just double check that nothing's moved, and always use a 6-foot level to make sure everything's spot on. That's absolutely spot on. To the next side. Same as the opposite side, just so it matches.
He's a pro.
Thank you. He's good, isn't he? And then the handle will be fine, I think.
He doesn't need to do the handle again.
Yeah, the handle, it.
Oh, I would do.
Oh, well, let's do the intro on that.
Why not?
Yeah.
And then we'll let him go home.
Today, I am going to show you how to change a UPVC casement window handle. Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Show you how to change a UPVC casement handle.
Right, we're done again.
But I don't know if you're going to handle it.
No. You've got to do that one from the start then.
Hello, I'm Michael from VR Windows, and today I'm going to show you how to change a hinge on a casement PVC window. Again. No!
Self-tape.
Cut! Hello, I'm Michael from VR Windows, and today I'm going to show you how to change a hinge on a PVC window.
Banging. Yeah, nice.
All right, see you later, boys.
See you later, mate. I've been Michael.
And I've been Matthew. And thank you for coming to one of our sites today in beautiful Surrey.
Now, can you get off my site, please?
Get out,
You've
my
been here
lads.
for too
Get
long.
out.
Get out!